Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and review of the brand Abbott Lyon. And if you haven't heard of them, I have talked about this brand on my channel before, but they have so many incredible luxury jewelry pieces that are all very customizable. I'm actually wearing one of their necklaces right now. This is their initial choker necklace, and all of their pieces are so beautiful. They're great quality. This brand is all about sustainability as well. So really cool brand to work with. A big thank you to Abbott Lyon for sending me this jewelry piece to review and try on for you guys. Before we get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so I was so excited when I saw this come in the mail today, and I just immediately had to sit down and film this because all of their pieces are so cute, and I was especially excited for this one. So here it is, and this is a pretty small package, a little itty bitty unboxing, but you can see here is the box, and it has the branding on it in this like gold metallic. And then on the back, it has the website, abbottlyon.com. Super cute. And this just feels very nice. Definitely feels quality, that high-end luxury feeling. And it's also like a fun design to unbox. I always get so excited to unbox these because it has this little like drawstring, and the bottom here is this beautiful gold. So pretty. So I'll go ahead and just slide it open, and here is the inner box from the outer box. So go ahead and put that down, and here is the box that it's in, and this one has a little bit of texture to it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, a little bit more textured, a little bit harder, really nice quality, and it has the same logo on the front, and similar has the website on the back. So yeah, so cute, and it has the little drawstring, so I'll go ahead and just open it up. Opening it up now. Okay, so another box to the side, just stacking those up. So inside you get this little care card. Super cute. Again, it has the branding on it and just gives like a little bit of background on the company, and also the care on how to take care of your jewelry so it lasts as long as possible, stays in the best condition. Again, this is pretty durable jewelry. It is sweat and water resistant, prone to not tarnish, so it is quite durable, but there are just some care instructions to make it last even more, even better, and be even more beautiful all the time. And then also you get this little jewelry cloth, which is so nice. Like, honestly, I use these for my glasses too, my other jewelry. Like, it's nice to get one of these little cloths in your collection. Very useful, so thank you for that. And then we have the actual box, and there's still a little bit of tissue paper on here, so I'll go ahead and take it off and reveal what I got. So here it is, and it is this stunning bracelet style. So this is actually my first bracelet that I've ordered from them, and I'm super excited to try it on and all that good stuff. I have gotten a couple necklace styles for them, but this bracelet is so cute, so I'm super excited to just try it on and see it out. And the packaging on this and just the display, again, it feels very luxurious, very nice quality. So you can see it has this kind of like velvety box that it's in. Super nice. So I'll go ahead and take it out. So like I was saying, these are completely customizable. You can pick actually the different finish of the little charms. You can choose how many charms you want. You can pick if you want it to have letters on the charms, spell something out, a name, or anything that you want. I think you can get up to 6 charms on this. I just chose 5. I thought that was a nice number. And what I love most about this bracelet is it's actually completely adjustable. So you just have this little, I think they call them like bolo bracelets, but you just kind of pull on it and that lengthens it, and then you can take the little end pieces. So the little dial is branded as well. So pretty. You can go ahead and just pull it and that will tighten the bracelet. So I'll go ahead and show you guys it on. It is so, oh my gosh, so stunning. So go ahead, I like just like hold it in my hand up here, and then I'll just pull on it, and that's kind of how I adjust it. Or you can like lay it flat and pull it up to adjust the length on it. So yeah, definitely can get the perfect fit. And I actually have kind of a small wrist, so that's why I didn't want too many cloves on it, so it wouldn't be overpowering. But I like the look of kind of having the full bracelet kind of covered with that. So this is like the bottom. This is what it looks like, I guess, from the bottom. There's a little close-up. It is seriously so beautiful. Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed. Like I was saying, there are a lot of different options you can have when picking out this bracelet. I chose the like pearly finish on it, so I'll give you guys another close-up. I think this is just a bit easier to see. The pearl finish on this is so beautiful. You can see just that like shine on it is so pretty. And the back of it is just like this really smooth gold on the back, so you can see that's the back of it, that's the front, and it's actually really comfortable. I was worried that a bracelet with these size charms kind of thing going on would be a little bit uncomfortable to wear, and honestly, like, I don't notice it at all just like wearing it right now. I think it is really comfortable and just lays really nice and flat and flush on your arm. Not too like chunky or anything crazy. I also did just decide to get it completely plain. I didn't put any initials on it or customization, just because I think it's nice to have a little bit of variety. I do have some of the more customized pieces, like I put letters on the choker, on some of the necklaces I have, but for this one I decided just to keep it clean slate. But yeah, just in general, I feel like Abbott Lyon makes an incredible gift because you can customize it and put anything you want on it, and it's just a really thoughtful gift. I know sometimes people feel like jewelry cannot be as thoughtful of a gift, like he just got me jewelry, but this jewelry is special. You can customize it and make it so thoughtful and meaningful, and I think that is again perfect for Valentine's Day or just any time of the year where you want to give someone something. So this one does come in a couple different finishes, so you can get the pearl finish, which I have, and then it does have a textured style, which is in a gold, or like a molten style, also kind of in a gold color, and then it also comes in black and rose quartz, which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day, like a cute little pink bracelet. So cute. You can see I'm already in my pink for Valentine's Day. And what's even better is I actually have a matching necklace to this bracelet as well as matching earrings. So you could get like a full set. You can customize the necklace, keep the earrings and the bracelet plain, or customize all three pieces. There are just so many ways that makes this an incredible gifting opportunity, and all the personalization is completely free on their website, so you don't have to pay extra to get your name on it or someone else's name on it or literally anything on it. Yeah, the quality on this is also so nice. It is so beautiful and stunning. It is an 18 karat gold plated steel. It's water and sweat resistant. They also have a 2-year guarantee on the plating. It's made up of over 60% recycled material, so some sustainability there. But yeah, just a really high quality piece of jewelry that is going to last. So yeah, so that was my little unboxing and review of Abbott Lyon jewelry, little luxury jewelry unboxing. As always, I'll be linking this bracelet specifically as well as just their website in my description down below. There are so many cute pieces of jewelry on their website. Again, a perfect time to gift for Valentine's Day, for Galentine's Day. Get all your friends some matching friendship bracelets. Be super cute. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little unboxing and review, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below which piece of jewelry is your favorite. Are you into earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings? I'm really curious to hear what jewelry style you like the best. Of course, Abbott Lyon has all of those as an option. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.